View Account Details screen supports mail merge, letting schools send tailored communications to parents based on their outstanding balances. So I've selected View Account Details and I'm selecting the mail merge icon. And then I will need to make some decisions. So select my filters. So I'm going to select minimum balance and any payee over £100. And then once I've done that and I've selected all my filters here, it automatically then identifies the key parents in that list. And now I want to send out a communication. So I'm going to select Portal and put it as account overdue. And I can use the pre-made templates to send out these generic payment reminders. And then once that's starting to process, I can see that that mail merge is happening and it's sending out the notices to the parents' portal account. So this feature is especially useful for schools to manage their fee collections efficiently.